In this video, I'll show you how you can narrow down your search in SearchUW. I'm starting out in SearchUW with a very basic search. One thing you can do is you can narrow down by what type of resource you want. So if you know you want articles, for example, you can click this Everything tab here and go down to Articles and hit the search button. And then if you know what type of article you want, like a newspaper article, for example, you can narrow down by that too by selecting it under Resource Type over here on the left. Another way you can narrow down your search is by adding in additional search terms. So ask yourself, what are you looking for in your topic? What do you want to look into? So with honeybees, what are you looking into with honeybees? What are you interested in? If you're not sure what you want to look into, you can always let the search results help guide your search. So this article is talking about collapsing honeybee colonies. So is this one. This is talking about pollen nutrition. We have one here about Austria, so you could narrow down to a country, perhaps. If you'll go over here on the left, there's also these topics that generate. If you hit Show More, and these can give you other ideas for how you can narrow down your topic. So for example, there's pesticides here. Maybe I want to focus on that. There's a European honeybee, so maybe you want to look at a specific type of honeybee. I'm going to go up here and add pesticide to my search and hit Enter. You can also narrow down by the creation date. This is the publication date of the articles. Ask yourself, what's the scope of my project? Am I looking at honeybees and pesticides from 1901 to 2024? You could do that, but that would be a very broad paper. Maybe I'm just looking at current research with honeybees and pesticides. If I want that, then I want something that's been published more recently. So I did 2019 to 2024 and hit Refine to get more recent results. From here you can see we have a lot less results now and a more narrow topic. You can also click into articles. And a lot of times these subject terms will auto-generate as well. And these are another way that you can get some ideas of how to narrow down your search. So for example, you could add one of these words into your search. So you could add in maybe toxicity to your next search. If you need help with narrowing down your search in SearchUW, please ask a librarian.